Learn English to Gujarati. Search, find, lose in.
ભૂલી જવું.
With funny daily life stories. Welcome to the Great Key Drama. Hey, you are in the right place if you have ever searched for your keys while holding your keys. Today you will learn useful Gujarati with a little chaos, a little comedy, and a lot of memory power. Our story begins with one brave human, you. You stand by the door, ready to leave, feeling important, productive, maybe even elegant. Then suddenly you freeze. The keys are missing. Your face says, I am calm. Your heart says, absolutely not. First, you need to search. In Gujarati, that is,
શોધવું.
you.
શોધવું.
In your bag, in your pocket, on the table, under a book, and somehow emotionally also inside your soul. Then maybe you find them. In this lesson set, find appears as
શોધવું.
so your brain can connect the idea of searching and finding through context. But sometimes you do not find anything because you lose things. Lose is
હારવું.
and if you are extra talented, you also forget where you put them. Forget is
ભૂલી જવું.
So today, you will not just memorize words. You will survive a tiny domestic adventure in Gujarati. Your survival verbs. Let's load the main words into your brain before the next disaster begins. Say them out loud with me and enjoy the rhythm. Search equals.
શોધવું.
Example. I want to.
શોધવું.
For my keys. Find equals.
શોધવું.
Example. I finally.
શોધવું.
The missing notebook. Lose equals.
હારવું.
Example. Please do not.
હારવું.
Your ticket. Forget equals.
ભૂલી જવું.
Example. I always.
ભૂલી જવું.
The small things first. Find again equals.
ફરી શોધવું.
Example. After 1 hour, I.
ફરી શોધવું.
My old photo. Keep equals.
રાખવું.
Example. Please.
રાખવું.
The key in a safe place. Take along equals.
સાથે લઈ જવું.
Example.
સાથે લઈ જવું.
Your umbrella. Leave lying around equals.
પડી રહેવા દેવું.
Example. Do not.
પડી રહેવા દેવું.
Your phone on the sofa. A very suspicious morning. Now you get the chapter story. Listen like a movie narrator lives inside your toaster. You wake up late. Not a gentle, peaceful late. The kind of late where even your toothbrush seems judgmental. You jump out of bed and immediately.
ભૂલી જવું.
Why you stood up so fast. Then you remember. Meeting, bag, keys, panic. You start to.
શોધવું.
Everywhere. Under the pillow? No. In the kitchen? Only a spoon and regret. In the fridge? Not impossible, honestly. Yesterday, you meant to.
રાખવું.
The keys in one safe place. A smart place. A grown-up place. But instead, you may have.
પડી રહેવા દેવું.
Them somewhere dramatic, like on top of a cookbook or next to a sleepy banana. You also need to.
સાથે લઈ જવું.
Your notebook, your charger, and possibly your dignity. Suddenly you see them. Or maybe, more accurately, you.
શોધવું.
Them at last. Victory. Tiny, shiny victory. But wait. These are not today's keys. These are the old spare keys. So now you must.
ફરી શોધવું.
The real ones. This is no longer a morning. This is an epic saga. Mini dialogue chaos. Let's make the words feel alive. Listen to this short dialogue and steal it for real life. A. Are you ready to go? B. No, I need to.
શોધવું.
For my keys. A. Did you?
હારવું.
Them again? B. Maybe. Or maybe I just.
ભૂલી જવું.
Where I put them. A. You should.
રાખવું.
Them in one place. B. I know. Please do not become wise right now. A. Did you?
પડી રહેવા દેવું.
Them on the sofa? B. I leave many things there. The sofa is basically a museum. A. When you go out.
સાથે લઈ જવું.
Your phone too. B. Thank you. Apparently I need full adult supervision. A. Good news, I.
શોધવું.
Your keys. B. Amazing. Where? A. In your hand. B. I would like to cancel today. Memory tricks that actually stick. Now let's glue these words into memory with funny images. Your brain loves weird pictures. 4.
શોધવું.
Imagine yourself as a detective with a giant magnifying glass, seriously investigating one missing sock. 4.
હારવું.
Imagine your wallet growing tiny legs and running away while you shout, "Come back, tiny criminal." 4.
ભૂલી જવું.
Tap your forehead and imagine your thought floating out like a balloon. 4.
ફરી શોધવું.
Picture opening an old drawer and finding the thing you lost last year, plus 3 mysterious buttons. 4.
રાખવું.
Imagine a golden box where you always keep important things, unlike the chair, the bed, or your pocket of doom. 4.
સાથે લઈ જવું.
See yourself leaving the house with a bag, a bottle, a notebook, snacks, and far too much confidence. 4.
પડી રહેવા દેવું.
Imagine a messy room where socks, books, and one heroic spoon are all just lying around, waiting for a cleanup miracle. Quick practice challenge. Your turn. I will give you a situation, and you think of the Gujarati word. Then I will tell you the answer. You look everywhere for your glasses. What do you do? You.
શોધવું.
Your bus ticket is gone. What happened? You.
હારવું.
It. You left home without your notebook because it slipped your mind. What did you do? You.
ભૂલી જવું.
After a long search, you recover the old notebook. What did you do? You.
ફરી શોધવું.
It. You place your passport safely in one drawer and plan to leave it there. What do you do? You.
રાખવું.
It. Before a trip, you bring your charger with you. What do you do? You.
સાથે લઈ જવું.
It. You drop your jacket on a chair and never put it away. What do you do? You.
પડી રહેવા દેવું.
It. At the end, you finally spot the missing item. In this lesson set, what word appears for find?
શોધવું.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just turned a messy little disaster into useful Gujarati vocabulary. Today you practiced how to.
શોધવું.
How to.
શોધવું.
How not to.
હારવું.
Your things, how not to.
ભૂલી જવું.
And how to.
ફરી શોધવું.
Them if life gets dramatic. You also learned to.
રાખવું.
Things safely.
સાથે લઈ જવું.
What you need and not.
પડી રહેવા દેવું.
Your stuff all over the house like a confused pirate. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words during your day, and next time you lose your keys, at least you can be multilingual about it.